We are pleased to introduce to you the Husqvarna 321R and 321RJ brush cutters and the 321C trimmer. Please note the product number and serial number and provide this should you require spares or service information from your local service agent. This is what you will receive in the box: an operator manual which must be carefully read before using, a tool kit and a fuel mixing bottle. The 321R is a straight shaft bullhorn brush cutter. It is supplied with a harness fitted with a quick release hook, a trimmer head and a blade. The 321RJ is a straight shaft J-loop handle brush cutter. It is supplied with a shoulder strap, a trimmer head and a blade. The 321C is a bent shaft J-loop handle trimmer. It can only be fitted and used with the correct trimmer head. Additional benefits include a 600 milliliter fuel tank for longer working times, the Husqvarna Easy Start system, a reliable professional engine with common spare parts interchangeability.